Yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about filet supo and fried pork and prawns and some galo to eat it with. And I have an orange drink. Cheers, guys. Okay. Okay. I already gave my thanks to a loving God for the food that He provides for us. And this is fried pea supo with heaps of onion. And galo. And the galo I don't know which Samoan hasn't Samoan or Islander that hasn't had corned beef before. This barbecue pork. Mmm. Mmm. Anyway. So guess what happened to my car yesterday? It blew up. My son went to try to go over to his cousin's house, and then he called me that my car blew up. Well, it was good to hear his voice. Yeah. It didn't blow up like boom. It blew up like. Yeah. Anyway, it was that thing where you put the water in. Yep, that blew. Apparently, the owner hasn't been putting water in it. Who's the owner? I don't know. Well, sorry. I thought you just drive it, put petrol in it, and that's it. I didn't know you had to put water. Listen, I didn't put water in it. Well, you think I have my car serviced all the time, that, you know, I won't need it. I thought when it gets serviced, it's going to get its water, and it's going to get all that done, but no. My car didn't have water and it blew up. But good thing my son was just near the petrol station, and he drove into there, parked it, you know, they had it towed, and all done now, all done. It only cost me $390, all done. Life, that's life, eh? Car, without it, you're a bit slow getting around, because then you have to catch the public transport. So, car's a handy thing, but it's a costly thing as well. Especially in Australia, when the rego is like chock-a-block, high expensive, and pink slip, green slip, rego, gongga. Gongga, yeah. If we own a horse, I think it'll be cheaper, eh? The grass will be free, all you have to do is find it some water. Anyway, noodles guys, look. Thick white rice, thick white noodle. Thick rice noodle. Sometimes you can get your tongue all twisted, eh? And then the words sound fresh. Can you hear squeaky floors? I think someone's creeping around out there, eh? I was watching someone's mukbang and she was talking, doing her mukbang, and her boyfriend and his friend was talking like quite loud, and she turned around and she said, "Quiet!" I was like, I'm gonna scream like that when I do my video. Yeah. Anyway, I had to be extra, and I told the Chinese lady, give me some prawns please, because me, I love prawns. Americans call it shrimp. I love prawns. I used to call it shrimp when I used to live in New Zealand. Come over here, they call prawns. Come over to Australia, that's what I mean. Now they have that, it's called a poo line. My son, even though it's cooked and everything, no, he'll sit there looking for the poo line to pull it out. And I say, son, it's cooked, eat it. And he said, no way. Pardon me guys. No, the burp just wants to come out. Look guys. Oh, corned beef, fish soup and onion. And I bought me some chopstick. Summer's here and it's horrible. Australia, summer is so hot. And this is the time I feel sorry for those who don't have aircons, you know. When I put aircons in this house when we first moved here, it's like aircon everywhere, like aircon here, aircon there, aircon. Over the aircon. Gotta stay cool, guys. Ngayon, mangayos. And I've been seeing so many nice comments from you guys out there, from you guys. Thank you so much. Beef super. Man, beef super is so handy. You know, if you got no dinner, you got nothing to eat, but there's a beef super. Bang bang. Go and open it, sit down and mukbang bang. By yourself. Nice color. So lovely. Yeah, my daughter asked me to do the chili noodle challenge, and I'm so scared. I keep putting it off. I keep saying no. What a chicken, eh? Scary. Plus, we might do it, and she end up beating me, and then that don't look good. My daughter, she eats noodle every day. Every day. I'll make her something else. She'll prefer noodles. I have another daughter. All she prefers is nuggets. Chicken nuggets. I don't know what's wrong with their taste buds, man. What's wrong with it? They should be like their mama. Eat anything. Well, not anything. Not boy. No. I don't know why I eat with butter. It's like I eat pork. But I can't eat the with butter. Oh, I've been dying first. Man, I shall just go to her mukbang, and her burps are so enormous. It's like two burps put together. Man burps. I think, woo, ooh la la. You go, girl. I went to the smoothie shop and I got me a banana and mango smoothie. And it was it had yogurt in it and some ice, and I tell you what, bum diggity, guys. And look what I got me. Got me a mango. Anyway. Ooh. Ooh. Anyway, guys, as I was saying, there's been a lot of people commenting and, you know, leaving a nice comment, you know, going out of your way to say hello. So I'm going to put your fella's name down, going along that way, to say thank you very much. I love talking to you guys too. Okay, cheers, and guess what? You guys take care. Don't forget, if this is your first time you're watching my channel, please like, subscribe, and yeah, you know the rest of the story. Okay, take care. Wailua. I just wanted to show you guys my mukbang bang of bisupo, galo, and fly noodles, and my Fanta. Okay, hope your family's well. Hope yourself as well. And I hope if you got your a channel that you guys are getting more and more and more and more subscribers every day, and people watching your channels giving you guys lovely comments. Okay, take care out there. Tip of the day. Okay, I didn't think of one, right? Because when my car blew up, it took, you know, like, okay, there's the tip of the day. Guys, make sure that you top up your car with water, and don't be stupid like me and think that you just drive around with a car and just fill in petrol. No, there's more to it. Maintain it. But honestly, I thought when you get it serviced that they put water in it, then you don't have to put anything else, do anything other than petrol to the next service, and then they put more water in it. I don't know. Jeez, don't blame me, man. Jeez, no one told me. Okay, well, now you know. That is my tip. Make sure you fill up your water, check it out, make sure it's not over, check your oil. I think that's only for people that don't service their car much, eh? But anyway, still do it. Because my daddy used to say to me, never run your car low, because it brings up all the dirt down the bottom of the petrol tank and it stuffs up your motor. That's what my dad said. But guess what, guys? My dad never drove. He never had a license. But he used to work in Ford Motors. Okay? And he must have learned a few stuff from there. But I don't know where he got that idea from. But he used to work with the cars are, and I think that's where he got his knowledge from. Okay? But his sons are good. They maintain everything. You know, they maintain their houses. They maintain their cars. They maintain their life. That's my brothers. But us girls, we just don't do that. Okay? Because we're only girls. Thank you very much. Shh. Don't pick on us, okay? Yeah, okay. Whako e kara mua. Yeah. Ulua. Whaftai lava mata mai. Mwah. Whasoi fua.